One of the biggest stories to hit South Africa today is Vale's bid for Metorex. We're looking at a deal that could be worth around 7.5 billion rand. Vale bid for the entire share capital of Metorex at 7 rand 35 cents a share. Gentlemen, welcome to the program. Peter, let's start off with you. 7 rand 35 cents a share. What do you make of this news? I mean, when we spoke last about a possible deal with Metorex, you were saying that the Chinese could be interested parties. Are you surprised that Vale came to the fore?
A little bit, yes, because at first we thought Metorex was a little small for Vale, but they did buy 50% of Teal, which is ARM in Zambia, and it's got some Zairian assets. So it does make sense. They're now bulking up, and they probably think they're spending so much money setting up a division, setting up management in this country. And this 735, I think it's a very good price for Vale. I think if they get it for this price, they've done quite well. And they're buying very well-known deposits with a lot of expansion capability. And this company is now generating cash, so it's almost self-sustaining. So Vale doesn't really need to put more money into here.
Yeah. Well, Wayne, what do you make of this news? We're sitting at a share price of 7 rand and 8 cents. We're looking at 7.35. Do you think, yes, maybe if Vale, it would be great news for Vale to get it at 7 rand 35, but would Metorex give it up for that price?
Look, it's a difficult question. I mean, obviously, as in any negotiation, when any deal is given, this is the opening gambit. So you probably find shareholders, it's almost their right to try and hold out for more. We thought the share was expensive below 7 rand. So we think, just on the face of it, the announcement's only just come out, so we haven't had time to delve into it. But on the face of it, we think that this is a fair price for the share. What I found interesting is the share price started moving up strongly before the announcement came out.
And now it's down around 0.3%.
Yeah, no. I'm talking about not today's announcement. I'm talking about
the previous
announcement. The share moved up off a good 30, 40, 50 cents before the announcement was actually made. But look, the consolidation of the resource industry or the resource sector in very high prices is normal. You normally get consolidations when prices are very high or when prices are very low. Right now, everyone's got money, so we'll see how it all pans out. But yeah, look, Metorex is a very nice company. And to echo what Peter was saying, just we thought the share price was expensive.
Peter, 7 rand and 8 cents. I mean, would you concur with that? Do you think that at this point, the Metorex's share price looking slightly toppish?
Look, if I was an individual shareholder right now, I'd be tempted to vote against this because with copper prices the way they are, gold prices, and I can see Alan Gray right now, they're not going to accept this thing. I'll eat one of my socks if they do.
At what level will they accept? 8 rand, 9 rand a share? What kind of sweetener are they going to be expecting?
Yeah, Alan Gray's likely to come on like the Americans. They'll say this is an insult. Okay, I shouldn't be speaking for them. I'm sure you'll get them on the line quickly. But I think how American companies and Alan Gray previously, and Old Mutual as well, similar to Alan Gray, they'll say, hey guys, copper's 440, everything else is going through the ceiling, silver's $40. There's no way we're going to sell this company. And you must say, you have to understand, if they sell today at this price, that's not very great compared to where their share was in 2000, 201, 202. It's significantly below there. In fact, 3 years ago, 206, 207, relative to the all-share index, this share was 4 times higher. This share was 25.30. So a lot of people remember those old prices, even though they're not relevant. They'll say, gee, 25, $30 for this share 2-3 years ago. Now copper's even higher, and you're offering me 7.35. I think most shareholders probably vote against this offer.
Okay, Peter. So why do you think that Metorex is down on the back of this news? It's not down dramatically. It's only down around 0.3%. But as Wayne alluded to, we have seen a fantastic run coming through on Metorex. We had heard a few whispers that Vale was interested. Do you think that it's largely been priced into the share price at this point?
Well, yes. The Vale offer is for 7.35. So the share price is reflecting that. The share price doesn't seem to be acting like there's going to be a higher bid. But I've heard for a long time there's a few Chinese companies been looking at this for more than 6-12 months. I think it's been all over the market. And we see the prices that the Chinese pay. So I'm surprised the share is actually not a bit higher. It means people don't think the share's in play. They think this deal's done.
Do you think another party is going to come to the fore?
It's quite possible. I don't know. It's quite possible. What worries me even more than that is we're seeing characteristics of the top of the market in commodities. Now, I'm not saying that it is the top of the market. I don't think it is. I think this has still got more legs to go. But we're seeing characteristics of this. Record high in all the commodities. Everything is commodities. Deals happening in the commodity market. You know, maybe these are some pointers where we should, at the very least, give them due consideration.
Peter, do you think this is the right time to embark on deal making? I mean, Wayne is alluding to the fact that we have seen, you know, everyone's got money at this point, commodity prices looking quite buoyant. The question is it the right time for Metorex? I mean, you're talking about a share price that was once at 25 Rand, 30 bucks. We're now sitting at 7. Is this the right time for Metorex?
Yes, I think it is. For a seller, I believe this is the right time because I don't believe any of these metal prices. I think they're all Looney Tunes. And I think for sellers, this is the right time to be taking your assets to market and getting what you can. I know Metorex would like more than this. We all would. But will they get it? Tough question.
Yeah.
And this price, Vale is not overpaying at this price. And most companies that are sold at the top of the market, you see great overpaying. This isn't overpaying.
Peter, very quickly, what is your plan on Metorex on the back of this news?
My plan for Metorex? Well, they're hoping for a higher offer, obviously.
Your play.
Oh,
Would you be buying it?
No, I wouldn't be buying it because I don't trust these copper prices. I think they could fall any second, let alone any day.